Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Pools Wallet, a decentralized wallet for managing your blockchain assets. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of downloading the app, creating a new wallet or recovering an existing one, and exploring its various functions. Let's get started. Open the Google Play Store app, search for Pools Wallet, select the app from the search results, tap on the Install button, wait for the installation to complete. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and installed Pools Wallet. After installing the Pools Wallet, open the application. You will be prompted to create a new wallet. 1. Select Create a New Wallet button. 2. Name your wallet. Read usage terms carefully and tick the box. Then tap Next button. 3. Set up your wallet's 6-digit number PIN code. 4. This is your private recovery phrase. Write it down and keep it safe. Do not share it with anyone. Then tap Next button. 5. Input your recovery phrase and select Confirm button. If you have an existing wallet, select the Recover Wallet option. Choose the option to restore your existing wallet. Input the provided 12 recovery phrases to regain access to your existing wallet. Assign a custom name to your wallet for easier identification. Confirm your agreement to the terms of service and privacy policy. Tap Next to move forward with the setup process. Set and enter a secure PIN to lock and unlock your Pools Wallet. Verify your PIN to ensure accuracy and security. Access your Pools Wallet dashboard to manage your funds and explore various functions. After setting up your wallet, Pools Wallet offers various functions. You can view your transaction history, your wallet balance, and the value of your cryptocurrencies and mining coins. To receive tokens, tap on the Receive option. You'll see your wallet address. Copy your wallet address to receive tokens from others. To send tokens, tap on the Send option. Choose the token you want to send, enter the recipient's wallet address, along with the amount. Double-check the details before confirming the transaction. Select Send to confirm this action. Transaction success. Start by selecting Swap option in the main menu. Choose swap pairs you want to exchange from the token list. Enter the desired amount of tokens you want to swap and review the transaction details carefully. Confirm the transaction and wait for the swapping process to be completed. Select Scan icon from main menu. Use your camera to scan the QR code. Choose the token you want to send. Enter the recipient's wallet address, along with the amount. Double-check the details before tapping on the Send button. Your transaction has been successfully processed. Find and tap Market in the navigation menu. Choose Watch Market and select the market that supports the token you want. Enter the token's name in the search bar and press Enter to search. View the market chart, price, volume, and performance of the token. Select News to read the provided information, which could cover topics like token updates, blockchain developments, industry trends, etc. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of starting your own mining pool. Select Mining and this will take you to the mining section of the wallet. Your wallet address, your current balance, the time allowance for claiming coins. There are 24 levels based on mining time and referrals. Claim coins upon mining completion. Press Start Mining. The mining policy will appear on your screen. Make sure you fully understand the policy before continuing. Choose the option, I am human, and then complete the puzzle by sliding it to the end. A pop-up message displaying "Mining successfully" will emerge, indicating that you can now commence mining. Tap on the Close button to proceed. After you have finished mining coins, you can claim them to your wallet. My Mining provides information about your mining activities, including the pools being mined, hash rate, level. It gives you a concise overview of your mining performance on that specific pool. System statistics are crucial for monitoring and assessing the performance of a mining system. By analyzing factors like miner count, circulating supply, and pools mined, and miners can gain valuable insights into their operations. Join the Pools Wallet community for the latest updates and connect with friends. Invite your friends to download Pools Wallet by tapping on the Share Invitation button. By following these simple steps, you can unlock fantastic rewards and benefits. First, choose Rewards, and select Refer Friends to get. There are 2 ways to earn points. Invite friends, copy your unique referral code or referral link provided in the section, paste the referral code or link you copied and send it to your friends and acquaintances who might be interested in joining our platform. Add invite codes, look for Add Invite Code and select it. You will see a place to enter or scan your friend's referral code. Enter or scan the referral code that your friend provided and select Add to confirm. A pop-up message will appear on your screen stating Enter referral code success. Select Start Mining to get. Go back to the Pools Mining section and press the Start Mining button, as instructed earlier. Add a wallet. Select Add a Wallet. A new window or screen will appear prompting you to input your wallet name. Type in the desired name for your new wallet. Select Create to confirm the creation of the wallet. After clicking Create, a pop-up message with the text Create Wallet Success will appear. Recovery Wallet. Choose Recovery Wallet. Input your private key. Select a name for your wallet. Enter your PIN number to provide your 12-word recovery phrase. If you lost your recovery phrase, click on Recovery Phrase to have your backup. Verify your 6-digit number PIN code or Touch ID. Your wallet recovery phrase and private key will be shown. Press on the button to reveal. Select Asset Management to track and manage your assets. All of your available assets will be displayed here. How to import new tokens on Pools Wallet. Turn on button to change current network. Select button or quick import to import new assets. Input token contract address and select Add Token button to complete. To earn more from referral or input referral code, select Referral in Setting menu. Referral code and referral link will be displayed here. Select Add Invite Code button. A pop-up will appear. Input referral code and select Add button to complete. To change your current network, tap on Change Network in Setting menu. Select a new network from the list provided. To change your current language, tap on Language in Setting menu. Choose the language you want to change. Pools Virtual Assistant is a versatile and user-friendly support tool that can be easily activated or deactivated according to your preference. Easily turn on or off based on your needs. The unique function of Pools Wallet is its AI Chatbot Support, which enables you to ask any queries you may have. You can easily enter your inquiry and receive assistance. To access more details regarding guidelines, privacy policy, terms of use, website, video content, and more, please select Pools Wallet information. To sign out of your account, simply select the Sign Out button. This effectively logs you out and terminates your session. Thank you for watching the video. We hope it helped you understand how to use the Pools Wallet effectively.